When you've been at the forefront of automotive innovation for more than a century, they might wonder where you'll go next. No need to wonder. GM Genuine Parts and AC Delco are here to continue driving the future globally. In an ever-changing industry, you can count on our two premium brands of General Motors original equipment. Why? Our GM OE parts appear in millions of Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac vehicles each year. They fit exactly and function precisely because they're the only parts designed, engineered, tested, and backed by General Motors. Just ask our customers, the DIYers who know, or the pros who trust that we'll help them get the job done right the first time, and who gear up for tomorrow today with our unique training opportunities and marketing support. But our GM DNA doesn't stop with OE. Gold and silver aftermarket parts from AC Delco follow the same 18-step quality approval process. They're the only aftermarket parts backed by GM, even if you use them on other makes and models, which you can do. No judgment. Because no matter the part you need or where in the world you might need it, you deserve legitimacy. And when it comes to high-quality, high-value GM OE and aftermarket solutions, well, it doesn't get more legit than this. Down to the box, we work to protect the integrity of our parts so you can get to work with confidence. Simple as that. So let's push higher together and meet the challenge of a new day. Choose GM Genuine Parts and AC Delco for your maintenance, repair, powertrain, and collision needs. Certainty starts here.